How to mute the original sound in TikTok. If you want to mute the original sound in TikTok, you just launch the TikTok application over here. Then once you launch the TikTok app, maybe you're trying to upload your video. And while you're trying to upload a video, the video also happens to have some sound of that video which you might not want to have. So let's say I'm just even maybe recording a video or anything like that. And once I've done that, I just hit the arrow button. So to mute this video and add a custom sound, let's say you only want to add music and remove the original sound from here, go to the edit icon on the right hand side of this video. From the edit icon, you can select this particular video first. And once you select this video, you can see various options. And you can see this option called volume. So tap on this volume option and just slide this volume all the way to the minimum until it is inaudible or muted. So select that, and now you have basically removed the original sound of this video, and you can add a custom sound by tapping on add sound, adding a music or adding a music file from your own device. So this way you can mute the original sound on TikTok. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.